So now I think I have found the line, and it's gonna be something like that. Nice sway out, and just to clear the back wheel. Now I only need to figure out if I should place this inside here or something like that, and make that sway into the original panel there.
Keeping us cozy, squeezing us snug, a relentless hug from eternity, letting us know
So the first step on each side is done. Really transparent, I know, but I like the transparency. You can see everything that is done, and that's the way I like it. And now I will continue with the rear fenders. I have an idea. You can see this doesn't reach out to the edge, but that's okay, because I want to have it into the frame and attach it here in 2 bolts and cut out here on the line of course to the inner side of the wheel. Maybe make it transparent this way in with something like this, and on the outside make a little rounded edge. Then I can weld on and make it a little ratty lookish. Yeah, we see when we get so far. But for now, I'll concentrate to get it attached to the frame and cut out that piece. So let's go. Alright, so I've been cheating a little again, but here you can see something I've been figuring about. air tank, 2 missiles on the side of each other, in both sides with diesel in them, and the jerry can in front to fuel, to put fuel on through the can into the tank, from the tank into the motor. What do you think? But then, while I was doing that, Tony came by and delivered those 2 bended pieces of steel. I'm just gonna, cut that off, weld it in, and make some holes down here to bolt it on, and bracket inside. I can put bolts in these 2 places, and in the back I'm gonna prepare it for making like a fender on this, going up on top of this and going down to the fender here. That will be a good stabilizer for these big fenders. And then we can put some lights in there as well. So yeah, we got the plan going. Damn, that was a bit of a struggle, but yeah, now it's, you can see what the plan is, and yeah, it is now. It looks a little off. It's a little gappy, and here as well. Can't get it down enough to the frame, so therefore it's not laying down on the. What the fuck is wrong here? I forgot something in there. Something is stuck. And I've tightened them with this, and let's see how they are going to hang when they get up and not close to the tires, not hanging on the tires. Let's see if they want to follow up. That's actually not too bad. That is not much. They are hanging. Remember, they're not tied on in these places. I want to have 2 bolts on each side here, and then bolted inside here. So this should be nice and strong, but it's gonna twist the frame now. I can see that. But anyway, it's gonna be a bumper on the across the whole thing, on the frame and on the fenders to hold the whole thing, so it should be nice and strong anyway. But this is quite nice. See how it looks when it goes up in the right position. So this is the driving position. It's gonna be some false shit. He's gonna fly high. Oh, I don't like that. Shit. That looks awful.